In downtown Tishomingo, there's a place that will give you a little sample of Mexico in both looks and taste.
We just like to bring a little bit of home, basically, to our little Tishomingo, or basically new adopted home, we like to call it.
Gonzalez Mexican Restaurant has been a mainstay here for years and recently upgraded its location here on Main Street.
We've noticed in the last couple of years our tourist population that's been coming in has been steadily growing.
So they put in a full bar, more seating, and added these hand-carved booths, tables, and chairs.
A lot of the images depicted are obviously of farmhands, ranchers, people making tequila. It's just something that's more traditional to certain areas of Mexico.
And once seated, you'll soon experience a taste of their culture.
One of our more popular dishes is definitely the Acapulco Dinner. It's a piece of chicken breast. It's covered in sauteed vegetables, the zucchini, squash, mushrooms. They cover that with cheese sauce. It's got a side of rice and beans.
The family recipes also include tamales, made fresh and from scratch each day.
Normally I order fajitas, but I like to mix it up every once in a while.
Getting the nachos today.
The service is always really good, and the food is even better.
I'm told you can't go wrong with anything on the menu, but if you're looking for something truly unforgettable in both taste and presentation, this is it.
The Mocojete, it is one of our more popular dishes, and that's just a hot volcanic rock, and it comes with the grilled onions and chorizo at the very bottom, and it's got a bed of chicken fajita meat, beef fajita meat, and shrimp on top, and it's got a side of cactus.
It comes out on fire unless your party includes small children, but you have to request it.
It is a show to watch whenever you see it coming through the building on fire. It's definitely a great sight.
Everything's good here. I've never had a meal that was bad. I love shrimp cocktail, and I can eat shrimp cocktail every day. The shrimp cocktails, the carne asada, street tacos are really good.
The menu also offers Tex-Mex items like this burrito.
That one's just a 10-inch tortilla with either shredded chicken or ground beef inside of it. They smother the burrito with either the chili sauce or queso sauce. It's got a side of guacamole, sour cream, and a side of rice and beans.
It's good food. I mean, it's good food, it's a good price. It's a beautiful place in here. There's good people. I love coming here.
You can complete your meal with chips in their homemade salsas and a signature drink from the bar like their popular Gonzalez Punch.
You know, people really like your food when you see them 2-3 times a week. Just seeing people come in year after year, seeing them kids grow up here, I mean, it just makes you feel like you're part of the community, makes you feel like you're part of the family.
Discovering Oklahoma and Tishomingo, I'm DeAnne Stein.